Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country chic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Country chic farmhouse decor is a warm, cozy decorating style that blends rustic country charm with soft, elegant details. It feels comfortable and lived in, but still light, stylish, and romantic. It combines the simplicity of traditional farmhouse style with the softness of shiplap and cottage-inspired elements. Key features of country chic farmhouse decor uses soft, neutral color palette like cream, white, beige, soft gray, muted pastels like brush, chess green, dusty blue. These colors create a calm and airy atmosphere. Uses rustic wood elements like reclaimed or distressed wood furniture, wooden beams, farmhouse dining tables, open wooden shelves. Natural wood adds warmth and authenticity. Vintage and antique touches inspired by traditional countryside homes and romantic cottage aesthetics. Distressed cabinets, vintage mirrors, antique style clocks, floral ceramic pictures. This romantic vintage influence is similar to the charm seen in Little House on the Prairie homes. Simple, cozy, and heartfelt. Decorative details uses messengers, wicker baskets, fresh or dried flowers, shiplap oils, lantern-style lighting. These small accents bring countryside warmth indoors. Overall feeling, country chic farmhouse decor feels cozy, romantic, welcoming, soft yet rustic, timeless. It is perfect if you love vintage farmhouse style, cottagecore vibes, or grandma style charm, or rustic but elegant spaces. The overall mood and atmosphere, country chic farmhouse decor creates a home that feels peaceful and solo-packed, inspired by countryside living, romantic but not overly fancy, lived-in and comfortable. It blends traditional American farmhouse roots with soft feminine touches, similar to the charm you see in homes inspired by Little House. Layering is the secret. This style is all about layering textures, not making everything match perfectly. Try mixing distressed wood plus soft lace, wicker baskets plus floral fabrics, iron candle holders plus pastel ceramics, cotton rugs plus crochet straws. The layered look makes the room feel collected over time rather than newly decorated. Furniture style. Furniture should feel slightly weathered, simple in shape, light in color. Popular pieces, farmhouse dining tables, open hatches, slip-covered sofas, wooden benches, vintage-style cabinets. Whitewashed or chalk-painted furniture works beautifully. Patterns and prints. Country chic farmhouse often includes soft patterns like small floral prints, gingham, stripes, botanical designs. These add cottage charm without overwhelming the spaces. Lighting and ambience. Lighting should feel soft and warm. Use lantern-style fixtures, temple lamps with fabric shades, candle in passengers, oats iron candeliers. Warm lighting makes the rustic elements feel cozy instead of rough. Kitchen styling. For a country chic farmhouse kitchen, display ceramic pictures with flowers. Use wooden cutting boards as decor. Hang copper pots at lace trimmed curtains. Keep open shelving styled with white dishes. It should feel functional but beautifully styled. Seasonal decorating. This style changes beautifully with seasons. Spring. Use fresh flowers and pastel linens. For summer, use lemon decor and lighter fabrics. For fall, use pumpkins, oven baskets, and warm tones. For winter, use plain straws, pine cones, and candles. Why people love it? It feels nostalgic. It is cozy but elegant. It works in small homes. It allows handmade decor. The story behind Country Chic Farmhouse Decor. This style evolved from traditional rural homes in places like the American countryside and parts of Europe. Over time, it blended rustic farmhouse living with romantic influences like shiplap, French country, and cottagecore. The result, a home that feels rustic but soft, simple but charming, practical but beautiful. The balance, rustic plus elegant. The secret formula of country chic farmhouses: 70% rustic farmhouse, 30% soft, romantic chic details. For example, rustic base wooden table, chic softness, lace runner. Rustic base iron lantern, chic softness, floral arrangement. Rustic base open shelves and chic softness, vintage teacups. Or rustic base shiplap walls, chic softness, soft pastel decor. This balance prevents the home from feeling too rough or too fancy. Texture is more important than color. Many people think this style is only about white furniture, but it is actually about texture. Layer different materials: rough wood, soft linen, crochet, rattan, ceramic, glass, or iron. When textures mix, the room feels warm and collected over time. Room by room styling. First, living room. Use slip-covered sofa in cream or beige. Distressed coffee table, crochet or quilted drawer. Vintage style wall clock. Wicker baskets for storage. For kitchen, use open shelving with white dishes, glass jars for dry food. Wooden cutting boards displayed, fresh herbs in clay pots. For bedroom, use iron bed frame, floral bedding, ruffled pillow covers, soft bedside lamps, antique style mirror. Security personality. Country chic farmhouse decor often feels grandma inspired but earthed, handmade and meaningful, collected slowly over time, not perfectly matching. It embraces small imperfections like chipped paint, faded wood, soft wrinkles in linen, and turns them into charm. What makes it different from regular farmhouse? Regular farmhouse, more modern, cleaner lines, more black and white contrast. Country chic farmhouse, softer colors, more florals, more vintage romance, more handmade decor. The emotional feeling of the style. Country chic farmhouse decor is not just visual, it is emotional. It feels safe and comforting, warm and welcoming, peaceful and solo living inspired, nostalgic but not outdated. It creates the feeling of a countryside morning with sunlight coming through soft linen curtains. The materials that define it. This style depends heavily on natural and aged materials. First, wood. Uses reclaimed wood, distressed finishes, whitewashed furniture, natural fibers like linen, cotton, jute, rattan, or wicker. Vintage metals like earth iron, aged brass, galvanized metal. The mix of these materials gives the room depth and authenticity. The role of florals. Florals are very important in this style, but they should be soft and delicate. You will often see small floral prints on pillows, botanical wall art, fresh flowers in ceramic pictures, charred lavender, or wheat bundles. Florals add the chic touch that softens the rustic elements. Styling philosophy, imperfect beauty. Country Chic Farmhouse silverettes, slightly tipped paint, faded finishes, handcrafted items, mix and match decor. It is similar to the cozy aesthetic seen in cottagecore, but with a stronger farmhouse structure and rustic wood influence. Nothing should feel too polished or showroom perfect. Storage that looks beautiful instead of hiding everything in cabinets. This style embraces decorative storage, wicker baskets, wooden crates, glass jars, open shelving, vintage trunks. Storage becomes part of the decor. How it differs from other styles. First, modern farmhouse, difference or black accents and cleaner lines. Rustic farmhouse, difference more rough and masculine. Prince Country, difference more elegant and ornate. Country Chic Farmhouse, different soft, cozy, romantic, handmade feel. It sits perfectly between rustic and romantic. Why it works so well in small homes. Light neutral colors make spaces feel bigger. Open shelving adds airiness. Soft fabrics prevents rooms from feeling heavy. Vintage pieces add character without clutter. It is ideal if you love decorating thoughtfully and slowly collecting beautiful pieces. It is about collected over time. Country Chic Farmhouse homes should never look newly bought all at once. Instead, mix old and new pieces, add handmade items, display meaningful decor, use family style heirloom pieces. The goal is a home that feels lived in and loved, not stressed. The rule of soft contrast instead of bold contrast. Like black and white modern farmhouse, this style uses soft contrast. Examples: cream walls plus warm wood furniture, shade screen cabinets plus brass handles, white bedding plus floral quilt, distressed table plus lace runner. Everything blends gently instead of sharply. Architectural elements that fit this style. If you want to enhance the farmhouse foundation, look for shiplap or bedboard walls, wooden ceiling beams, barn-style doors, farmhouse apron silk, open wooden shelving. These structural details create the rustic base that the chic decor softens. The feminine touch, the chic part. What makes it country chic instead of just farmhouse? Ruffled pillows, floral patterns, soft pastel accents, antique style mirrors, delicate cotton fabrics. It has a romantic softness that regular farmhouse doesn't always include. This romantic countryside feeling overlaps slightly with French country, but country chic farmhouse stays simpler and less ornate. Everyday items as decor. In this style, practical items are styled beautifully. Wooden cutting boards leaning on backglass, glass jars with flour or rice, hanging copper pans, folded coils in baskets, aprons on decorative hooks. Nothing feels hidden. Everything feels thoughtfully displayed. The lighting mood. Lighting should feel warm and golden, not bright white. Best choices: fabric lampshades, lantern style pendants, wall sconces, candle clusters. Soft lighting makes the rustic wood feel cozy instead of rough. How to keep it from looking cluttered. Because this style includes many small details, balance is important. Use neutral walls as a calm background. Leave breathing space between decor pieces. Limit strong patterns. Stick to a consistent soft color palette. Too many bold colors can break the gentle farmhouse mood. Why this style feels so comforting? Country Chic Farmhouse Decor reminds people of Grandma's kitchen, solo countryside mornings, homemade meals, handmade blankets, simple living. It blends rustic strengths with emotional warmth, which is why it pairs beautifully with crochet decor and vintage accessories. Why people love it? It feels nostalgic. It is cozy but elegant. It works in small homes. It allows handmade decor. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.